So I had a tick on my Ford 3-valve 5.4, and everybody on the forums was saying that the lifters are a problem, and I'm going to have to agree at this point. The only problem is it's wiped out my cam as well. So looks like we're going to be putting a cam and lifters and valve springs and the whole show in this. So to all you Ford guys out there, this could be a problem.